Just got back from vacation and went away for a few days. Just a couple of points of interest and curiosity to take a look at around the house. It's very cold. It's 62 degrees in the rest of the house and 66 degrees in here. So I just opened all the windows and warm it up to 69. Then we'll shut all the windows and put the heat on. So I just don't deal with this weather. Let's see. The front light is out, which I left on and is still on before I left. I turned it on and it's still in the on position, so what's going on here? Nobody sabotaged it. That's kind of weird. Everything looks fine. What the heck? Huh. Just came back on. That's weird. Wonder why it was off. It must have shut it off. I mean, I don't think that there's enough daylight to shut it off with the thing over the sensor, but well, I'll leave it on and see if it shuts off again. That's kind of weird. I mean, I gotta do something better than that anyways, but I would think it should just run and run and run. Let's see here. I turned off the boiler before I left, which has, you know, it's all a bit questionable because it could leak. When you shut it off and things cool down, it could absolutely leak, but it's a newer boiler, so I kind of think it won't leak. It looks like it didn't leak at all, so that's good. People have been wanting to see a startup of the thing, so maybe we'll do that right now, and we'll do another official video. Shut that off, and then we'll turn it on up here. Setup there. There's no, at least I can't find it. There's no little hole to look at the flame on this unit. I can hear the flame, I know it's there, but I can't see it. This is getting hot, so it's definitely working. It'll take a few minutes to heat up, but it's good, it's going. Gotta put the water feed back in. It shouldn't have lost any water, but if it does, that's for the all the baseboards. And then I shut the mains off, so we'll turn that back on. See what the temperature is downstairs here. It is 65, 49. So it actually stays warmer down here than it does upstairs. So I'm thinking there's not going to be a need to insulate this immediately. Down the road, I'd like to insulate it, you know, just to save some money, but I don't think that we need to do that this year at all. Okay, last thing to check is the refrigerator. Yeah, it's cold. Nothing leaked in here. Water's working. Everything's cold in there. Cold in there. Alright, I think everything is fine. I gotta take the air conditioners out. The yard is a mess. Look at this, I have to clean up the yard today. Leaves and branches everywhere. A ton of them. A lot of sticks. Some good sized stuff too. I gotta clean all that up. This is flowering nicely. Even the backyard is kind of a mess. I gotta clean all that up too. The light's still on, so I have no idea why it shut off. Very strange. Oh, just leaves and junk everywhere. I guess this blew out, but it doesn't really matter because I don't think that we're going to be running the air conditioner anymore. Everything looks good on this side of the house. Oh, not that. That doesn't look too good. I gotta glue these together. Probably should do that before the winter. Yeah, this is all coming apart here. Not good. I guess this is a higher priority project, and I gotta do that soon. Yep, I'll do that very soon before it gets too cold. Alright, well, I got my work cut out for me cleaning up the yard. A lot of sticks and stuff here. Okay, well, I better get to work because I think it's going to rain tonight. So get the yard all cleaned up and then can spend the rest of the day inside.